Yeah, so guys, I'm here at the Islamic Centre of Brent. We installed 60 panels last week, and I'm here with the main guy, Muhammad. And explain me about, how's your experience with Solar for Good?
Yeah, right from the start and the beginning, we were very much satisfied with the service you guys have been provided.
Thank you.
We were informed thoroughly about the project and how is it going to benefit us. And it was very much satisfied we were because the professional services that you guys have provided every time, the guys were on time and they made all the safety measures. And of course, on top of that, everything that green energy, it's the buzz of the world.
Yeah.
So we are very much happy that we are having less load on the national grid.
Yeah.
So
that's good. So it's quite good to hear from the main man here. You see probably the system. You got an app, and it tells you, how much you are generating.
Exactly.
You've got a battery, which we will cover it later on. It shows the discharging. So your reliability on a grid gone down significantly. And I think we talked about it. I think with the break even around 6 years, which is significant. The overall the life of the panels, we're looking at 25 years, and a battery around 15 to 18 years. So year 6, year 7, you will see the kind of money coming back to the community, which is a great. With the current, I think you install it probably, in my view, the right time with the current situation, what's going on in the Middle East.
Exactly.
The price of the electricity is likely to go up by 10 to 12% up.
Yes, exactly. It's the right time to invest in, and we hope that we have more sunshine to have a best return on investment.
Yes, you will. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. So this is the battery system we installed for the Islamic Mosque Brent. We installed literally last week. You can see that's the mosque. We have gone for 36 kilowatt hour of battery and a 25 kilowatt of three-phase inverter. If there is any requirement, they can expand this battery pack in the future, as we discussed with the main guy over there. And they're pretty happy with this. So you will store the energy and discharge in the evening when there is no production from the solar.